বড় বড়
Woo! So after a long working day, finally I'm here talking with you, and I never did this thing with you that in my entire video I remain silent. And why I speak English, because I have a dream that one day I will speak fluent and good English. So for practicing English, for my consistency, I am making videos especially in English. And in spite I am having much fear while speaking in English, and low confidence rather than Hindi. But anyway, I am speaking here in English, uh, and I should not say like this, but I feel many people are um, demotivating me in spite of motivating me. But anyway, leave those guys. And this is my name, Vijay, and this is my intermediate sign. And by the way, this signature I discovered when I was in standard 3, and from that time my signature is same. So this is my first drawing, and I remember once I had shown you my drawings in one of my video. And this is second, this is third. By the way, most of the drawing I copied from one guy, and I like very much his drawing. I forgot numbering, but anyway, you see this. my english my English is very dangerous. No grammar, no fluency, nothing. And stammering, that is another thing. So this is my last drawing, and right now I will do another drawing. So in screen right now I will show which drawing I will make. So this is the sketch I made, and right now time is 10:38 p.m. and now I'm making this drawing. And right now outside is heavy rainfall. I think you can hear rainfall sound. So these are not exactly lips, but I mark them like lips, and when I will color on them, they will be vanish, like pencil lines will be vanish. And I mark like this because I don't want to put color at this area or at this area or at this area. I will only give color on this area, so not to excrete color. From this reason I marked like this. So this is the rough markings, or I can say these are the pencil guides which will guide me not to put more color at this area. I will only put color inside this area. So while I am drawing, let me say you a story. So there is a teacher who used to teach drawing to students. Okay. So he is very passionate to teach drawing to students, and he do not care about money, and he only used to take 200 rupees. So when he was young age, around 19 or 18, when he was 18, he was very passionate to teach drawings, and he used to teach happily. But parents never gave money to him. If they gave, okay, they gave money to him, but they never gave money on time. Like if they need to give 2 month fee, drawing fees, then I right now I do not remember what is fees or fee, but anyway I'm saying fee, 2 month fee. But parent like used to cheat on that drawing teacher, like on that guy, young guy. And they were saying that no, you have only 1 month fee left, and here you go. So he was getting irritated, and he was not interested anymore to teach drawings to students. He was just done with this thing. Like not receiving money, proper money on time, and getting cheated by parents. Although from drawing tuition, as compared to other tuition, in drawing tuition charge is extremely low. For example, if other formal education tuition taking 1000 rupees, 500 rupees per subject, 500 rupees, and multi, or in coach 3000 to 2000, but he used to take only 200 to 250 rupees, like 200, otherwise 250 rupees only, maximum 200, minimum maximum 250, minimum 200 rupees he used to take. Although he was taking less money from all tuition, but parents cheating on that young guy, young drawing teacher. So now he was studying +3 in become BCom commerce. Many people, many guys don't know what is BCom. So commerce. So after completing his graduation, or you can say +3, he was empty, nothing to do. So one child came to him, and that child's mother many times requested, please teach our child drawing tuition. Okay. He was not interested, because he knew that another time he will teach same problem again and again. So he was not interested. But anyway, that young drawing teacher or young guy, now at that time he was not a like at this moment he was not a drawing teacher. He used to be a drawing teacher, but her mom said that in spite of sitting home with nothing, do this thing. He was agree, okay, let's do. And his father also hurriedly took some steps. His father made some banner, and his father hang those banner, drawing tuition banner. Here we give drawing tuition, that banner hung banner. So his father also did little bit advertisement about drawing tuition, but only one student came, and only doing one drawing class he passed out. He like passed from drawing class. Okay. Which time that young guy teaching drawing, some student came. Okay, some student came, but he was taking only 200 rupees at this moment. So he do not have any problem only taking 200 rupees. Why? Because he was fed by his father's money, so he doesn't have any worry. He was happy. And why he was more happy by any other reasons? Because he loved to draw. And yes, he loved to teach drawings to students, but other than that, he more enjoy doing drawing. So he always gave a basic drawing task to students, and after that he draws hard drawing on kids drawing copy, spare copy. He gave 1 year drawing classes. He continue 1 year for giving drawing classes, giving drawing classes. Pardon for my English, but listen this story. Okay. So after 1 year, students stopped coming. And the mother who requested a lot to this young drawing teacher, now that kid's mother took that child and gave drawing tuition at other place. So that young drawing teacher was no one but me. I guess many of you might understood from very beginning, but that young drawing teacher is no one but me. Right now I do not have any drawing student. Sad, very sad, but I was very happy while teaching students doing drawings on their copy. I don't care if I draw easy drawing or hard drawing, but I just love to do drawing, and it's a very interesting thing to. My age is going to be 25. Sadly, when I was child, I was very happy. My birthday is coming, my birthday is coming. Right now I am very sad why my birthday is coming, because it's not about I am getting older, but now it's about, yes, getting older is sad, but that's the process, no one can skip that. That is also sad, but right now more sad to me is that my age is growing and I do not have an income, and I am giving everything to my skills: drawing, doing murti, doing YouTube, doing my father work, business work, everything I'm giving. But right now I'm talking about drawing, nothing others. So okay, let me tell you this thing. So that guy who came to me like after graduation, when I was sitting free, that student's mother requested a lot to me. She told me, please, and I said yes. That guy, that kid, learning dance from a dance teacher, and they are paying 1800 rupees, and that dance teacher giving only 1 hour and 2 times in a week and taking 1800, and I am giving 1.5 hour 2 times in a week, 1.5 hour and 1.5 hour, so in a week 3 hours. So I also given a lot of time learning this skill, drawing skill, many effort, many hard work. That dance teacher also gave his effort or her effort to learn dance. So no one gave less or small effort to learn any skill. Yes, it's also depend on interest. How much anyone is interested, then they will learn more faster. But the thing is that everyone learn anything by doing hard work. So I also gave my hard time and hard work, effort. So why I should take 200 rupees or less than 1800 rupees? Because I am also that worthy, but no one is giving that amount of money in our locality especially. And here in our locality, drawing teachers are taking 200 rupees maximum in group tuition, and if they are going to home, obviously they are taking good money. I am not complaining about that, but pardon, but when they are giving group tuitions, they are taking extremely low money. And in our area, competition in drawing classes is not that high, but still drawing teachers are only taking 200 rupees, and in my opinion that is not fair. Drawing teachers, especially in our locality, they are taking for granted, so much taking for granted to themselves. They are, or I am not this worthy to take 200 rupees. so so parents always search for quality when it's about formal education, English, SST, science, math, or other local regional language, but they never find or they never search for quality for developing skills. They will always find a good doctor, they will always find a good school, but they will never find a good drawing teacher. And I have seen a lot of times that parents take for granted to children's skills. That is very bad, but most for granted skill is drawing. And another, I seen that singing is also for granted skill parents take for granted. uh, I don't like this, but this is how going in our country. Many people will agree with me, many people will not agree with me, but this is what I am saying because I felt this. It's no problem if you are not agree with me. Pardon me, pardon me, you pardon me. No, no, sorry, I pardon you, but I am telling you, according to my experience. We may be different. So, parents will not give me 1800 rupees. At least in 5 years era, parents will not give me 1800 rupees. But anyway, after thinking hours, around 6 hours, I conclude that I will not take 200 rupees from students. I will take 400 rupees. I thought that 500 is okay for giving group tuitions, but in our locality no one will give me. So I decided, let me take 400 rupees. And I know this very well, if I will ask for 400 rupees, no one will come to me. But anyway, I feel right now is that 400 rupees is worth, or I am worthy to 400 rupees. Right now, how much I have this drawing skill, right now I feel that okay, right now at this age I am worthy to take 400 rupees, but not worthy to take below 400 rupees. I am not that below worthy. So I don't care after saying 400 rupees any student will come to learn drawing with me or will not come for drawing, will not come for learning drawing. But anyway, and yes, I did like this. And here at this moment many people will comment that why you are speaking English, if you don't know, you are getting uncomfortable. I desperately want to speak English, and I learn and want to be fluent in English. If I won't speak English, I won't learn English. To speak English, learn to speak English, be fluent. So if you are getting irritated, please leave this video. No one is forcing you. I think you are watching this video right now because somehow our interest matches, our behavior matches, our vibe matches. For that reason, I think you are watching. Okay. Initially, I thought that I will draw and simultaneously I will speak with you, but while speaking with you, I haven't sketched anything because my main focus was right here. So I think this video is going to be more than 30 minutes because I blogged initially a lot of things and I am going to put those things. Yes, surely I will cut few parts, but I know very well this video is going to be more than 40 minutes, and I know this will be getting very bored. But anyway, speaking in English is very like restless thing, and when I'm speaking and I'm giving very much effort, so for that reason my cheeks are paining and these cheeks are in pain, and my neck is also paining. So the thing is that I decided to increase my monthly fee, drawing fee, 400 rupees, and I think right now I'm that worthy. I may be not worthy, or I may be much more worthy, but I feel I am worthy to 400 rupees right now. And you think, if I will take 400 rupees from 50 student, not a dream income. So I need to do something other thing, or I should take 1000 rupees per child, and after that something might happen. But anyway, that is future thing, not discuss future thing, not to do this. I should not do discuss about future thing, but I don't care student come to me or not. But one thing, why I'm doing right now, because I don't want to lose my practice, because I feel that I develop in drawing while teaching drawings to student. I tremendously developed in drawing in last 1 year. So I don't want to lose my practice in drawing. For that reason, right now I'm drawing. And my interest or my hobby is to draw from childhood. So if I get happiness, if this is my hobby, so why I should not draw? If any child is not coming, that's their problem. I am getting happiness, and if I am not doing anything for my happiness, at end of the day, what I did for my happiness, I did drawing in my drawing copy, especially in my drawing copy. I did drawing for me, and when I completed that drawing, I have my satisfaction level, and I am happy with that drawing. That is more important to me. And if I given a lot of time to learn drawing, and from a small kid, I remember I was in standard 1, standard 2, I was searching for drawing teacher, but I was not getting at that time. I was so passionate at that time. From that time to this time, my age is going to be 25. So I gave 25 years, or saying 25 years is not right. But okay, let's assume I given 20 years to drawing. How much I learned, how much developed on my skills, if I stop from here doing drawing, then those 20 years learning drawing would be waste of time. So I don't want to waste my skill. So doesn't matter, society, people, parents, students, anyone do care about my drawing skill or not. But one thing is very important. I should care, and I should respect to my skill, that is drawing. And might be boring in between, might be boring at starting, might be boring at ending, but what I told at end, that was more personal to me. So in this video I won't talk much. Okay, in this video I won't talk more, and I am giving rest to my mouth, rest to my cheeks, rest to my neck, because right now what I'm doing is sleeping on my bed and talking with you. So I will just show result what I did, and just be happy, be respectful towards your skill. Bye. Udi Baba. কেমন লাগছে? খুব ভালো ওর বেকার? আমার মতে চলবে। চলবে like. In next video I will draw another drawing. উড়ি বাবা, কেমন লাগছে?